Welcome back to another Brisk Bite. In this video, we're taking a look at the Progress Report Maker, and you can find that here on the main tools page at bit.ly/tryBriskTools. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what the Progress Report Maker can do for us. I'm on the main page, I found the Progress Report Maker tile, and I click Try It. As we know, Brisk will go ahead and open up a blank Google Doc for us, and the Brisk library with all of these options. So I can go ahead and choose Progress Report over here from the library. Now, this one's pretty straightforward. It's just going to ask us to fill in the main text box with some notes about this student. It could include behavior, it could include academics, progress, some things that the student is doing well on, any areas of concern. Most likely, your school system or organization already has some sort of official progress report form that they use. But this might be a great place for those one-off progress reports that come up. Maybe you're needing to send something into an IEP to go along with a student. Maybe you are needing to quickly report to a parent who has asked for more frequent input on their student to help get them over a particular challenge or hurdle. So these might serve really well for those moments when you're not necessarily giving that official progress report that the school sends out, but you have a need to send some progress monitoring home for the student. So what I've done is I've just taken a moment to give a quick update, a few things academic, a few things behavioral, a few things that are going really, really well, and I'm going to go ahead and choose Brisket. Brisk will take a moment and sort of organize my just brain dump in that text box and put it into some nice categories that lend themselves well to progress reporting. Great, so now I've got some excellent things that I can share home to a family. I certainly may want to use the translate tool for this one since it's likely to go home. And in this case, I just thought of something else. Student has been absent 6 times this semester. Definitely affecting work. Just something that popped into my head at the last minute, so I'm going to go ahead and brisk it. You notice I had spelling errors in there. I had some punctuation errors in there. Let's see if Brisk can handle that. Now it's going to rewrite that, and I can see right here, even if I stop generating, I can see right here that Brisk went ahead and took care of that for me and added that note at the end. So thanks for joining us for this Brisk Bite on progress report generation. We hope we'll catch you back here for another Brisk Bite soon.